Food is plentiful in this area. I mean, it says Manhattan. Money might be scarce, but food is plentiful. What's up, fella? What are we doing? I'm looking kind of crazy standing here. What's going on? They don't usually let you even get this close to them. Actually, my daughter was chasing some pigeons yesterday. These are New York City birds, so they move kind of different. You see, this one got a little bop to him. Now you're making it look like I'm following him and stressing him out. But you was just following me, B. You fluffing your wings like you were definitely trying to get my attention. I'm trying to see where you're trying to take me. Their body in the bushes? I don't know. This is a schoolyard. Maybe a body in there. Let me put the body in the bushes next to a kid's school.